Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AUPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and then orange line here is coming from. I do want to start with that orange line because going into today, and as I talked about in the video from Thursday, that trend line was representing, there's a pretty aggressive push to the downside here, but good to see that has been broken. And as you see, this morning the price was able to break above the trend line. Now, it's not like the price exploded, but at least this overall idea here of seemingly just bearish pressure has, subsided enough for the price to at least get some sideways movement today. So was today explosive and exciting like previous days? No, it wasn't quite that. But at least, like I said, it was able to still continue to go sideways and break above that trend line. So from that point of view, this 1485 mark is still a very important level. I talked about that being, an area that you could watch for a trade. And yeah, this morning, there was a very nasty movement down below that area. So from a day trading perspective, I'm sure there was some shorts and stuff that played that. However, to give full credit where credit's due, yeah, I'm sure some shorts made some money on this little quick snap to the downside over the opening 30 minutes. But boy, oh boy, the bulls showed up and fought back nicely and pushed the price back above 1485. So that would still be considered that level of support. If that level cannot hold, then from the overarching point of view, you'd still want to keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at 12, but again, moving average. So as next week plays out, that line and that value is going to increase higher and higher. What about levels of resistance now? Key level of resistance to watch in the near term, at least, is going to be right there at the $16 round number. You can see that's essentially where this bounce here finally got rejected. If 16 can be broken, especially if it's a high volume break, then I'm not saying the price shoots straight up there, but at that point, it also wouldn't be unreasonable to think and to have the price go back up to that 1745-ish area. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, like I said, given how this one started off during the first 30 minutes, things were looking shaky, but the bulls fought back very nicely. So we'll see if they can continue that into Monday or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.